front of me is Nokia G60, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Nokia smartphone. First of all, find Google folder and access Calendar app. Now, in order to pick a date, you need to click on the month above and tap on the chosen one. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Now you can adjust it however you need to. For example, add a title to it. Now you can pick your email address. I will go with HardReset.info 1 and events. Then select starting hour. Save it by clicking on OK. And also ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now you can click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat. I will go with Custom, set up every 2 weeks, and save my changes by clicking on Done at the top right corner. If you don't want it to repeat, click on the same option, but this time select Does Not Repeat. Now you can also add people, videos, and just add location. In here you need to click on while using the app or only this time to allow location access, and type in an address of your event. Then scroll down, click on Add Notification, and set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before. Then click on Done. Now you can also add attachments, take notes, and even click on default color and change color of your event for it to stand out more if you're in your calendar story. I will go with banana. Then just save at the top right corner, and as you can see after that, finally, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon here, and make your changes. If you want to discard them, click on the top left corner and tap on Discard in the pop-up. If you wish to save it though, click on Save at the top right one. Now, in order to delete your event, click on it again, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner, choose the Delete option, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!